Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure both you and your friend are signed into Google accounts and have the latest Maps app. Once done, enable device location and background location so sharing works reliably. Open Google Maps, tap your profile icon, then choose Location Sharing. Tap Share, select a contact or use a link, and set a duration or until turned off. This gets the connection live. Make sure your friend accepts the share request so you can proceed to view their position. Once the share is active, go back to Google Maps, tap your profile, and open Location Sharing to see all active friends. Tap a friend's pin to reveal live distance, estimated time of arrival, and a minute profile showing battery and last updated time. This helps you decide how to meet. To navigate, tap Directions, pick Driving, Walking, or Transit, and watch the route update in real time as their position changes. Make sure to pick route options, like avoid highways if needed. To finish, stop sharing when you no longer need it. Open Profile, Location Sharing, and tap Stop for that contact. This preserves privacy. If a friend's location seems stale, ask them to enable background location, check GPS accuracy settings, and move to an open sky for a better signal. If you cannot see them at all, make sure both parties have internet, that the correct contact was selected, and that the friend accepted the share. If problems persist, restart Maps or the device and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.